Hi, my name's Allan Madan. I'm a chartered accountant and a tax expert in the Mississauga, Oakville, and Toronto regions of Ontario, Canada. Today's short video is called 5 Things Canadians Need to Know About Buying U.S. Real Estate. If you own U.S. real estate or you're planning on buying U.S. real estate, as a Canadian, you have to watch this video. The first thing you need to know is applying for an individual taxpayer identification number. You need this number for every tax filing that you have with the IRS. To apply for an individual taxpayer identification number, complete Form W-7, which can be found on the IRS's website. Attach with Form W-7 a notarized copy of your Canadian passport. You can get your passport notarized by a Canadian passport office or by an IRS acceptance agent. The second thing that you need to know is withholding tax. The IRS levies a withholding tax of 30% of the rents that you collect. So for example, if you own a property in the United States and your gross monthly rents are $1,000, then 30% or $300 must be remitted to the IRS in the form of withholding tax. Now that doesn't seem really fair because it doesn't take into account any expenses incurred in connection with running the property. So how do you get around this? Well, that brings me to point number 3, the net rental election, which essentially is a waiver or an exemption from withholding tax. By filing the net rental election, you pay tax on the net rental income earned at graduated tax rates. That means expenses can be deducted in arriving at the net rental income. Expenses include mortgage interest, property taxes, utilities like gas, water, and hydro, home insurance, management fees, repairs, depreciation, and so forth. To apply for the net rental election, complete Form W-8 ECI. This form is called Foreign Person's Claim for Exemption from Withholding on Income Effectively Connected with the Conduct of a U.S. Trade or Business. You have to file Form W-8 ECI with your property manager or management company every 3 years. The fourth point is Information Return 1042-S. This deals with the amount of rent collected and property taxes paid in the year. This information return reports those 2 items to the IRS every year and is completed by your property manager or management company. Point number 5, the 5th thing you need to know about buying U.S. real estate as a Canadian. You must hire a cross-border tax accountant. Navigating through these forms and applications is very complex, so you want it done properly by a professional accountant. Additionally, your cross-border tax accountant will prepare your U.S. non-resident rental tax return, Form 1040-NR. This tax return reports the amount of net rental income you earned in the year and computes tax at graduated income tax rates. The return is due on June 15th of every year. I hope you found this video useful. If you want more great tips and tricks, visit my website, the URL for which is shown at the bottom of this video. Also, get access to your free report, 20 free tax secrets on how to beat the tax man, the URL for which is also shown at the bottom of this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.